squash comes in all different shapes and sizes. Some examples include butternut, acorn, and spaghetti. Butternut squash has a round bottom and a long neck. A larger knife will make cutting this hard squash easier. Lay the squash down on its side, cut off the stem and then the neck. Cut the neck in half and stand the round bulb up so it's resting on a flat surface, and cut that in half. Then scoop out the seeds with a spoon. Drizzle the pieces with oil and use your hands to rub it all over the inside and outside of the squash. Place each slice cut side down on a cookie sheet and roast at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes or until a fork easily pokes through the skin. It will look like this when it's done. You can either serve it now or peel and chop it according to your recipe. After it's cooked, peeling it is a breeze. Acorn squash looks just like an acorn. You can prepare acorn squash the same way as you prepare butternut squash in the oven, but we're going to show you how to prepare it in the microwave. Using a fork, poke holes all around the squash to allow the steam to escape while cooking. In a microwave-safe dish, cook on high for 5 minutes. Remove it from the microwave and cut the squash in half. Then scoop out the seeds. Take the two halves and put them back onto the microwave-safe dish, cut side down. Add about an inch of water to the bottom of the dish and put it back in the microwave for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the size of the squash. You'll know it's cooked when it is soft and a fork easily pokes through the skin. At this point, you can either cut the squash into wedges or use it however it is required in your favorite recipe. Spaghetti squash is a large oval shape and when cooked looks just like noodles. Start by poking holes in the squash with a fork to allow the steam to escape while cooking. Place the whole squash in the slow cooker and cook on high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 5 to 6 hours. Again, to check for doneness, you should be able to easily poke through the squash with a fork. Cut the squash in half and remove the seeds. Using a fork, gently pull it apart into strands and it will look just like spaghetti.